Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have the 2015 Ford Fiesta, stock number 7022. It's ran from the 5th 2013 to the 12th 2019. It's a WZ 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a WZ 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory made tour, left hand door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory made tour, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory made tour, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory made tour, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic air shifter, AC controls, factory single-stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,